Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We've got another unboxing. Lenovo sent us another computer on loan that we're going to be reviewing soon on my main channel at lon.tv. This time it is the Thinkbook 13S. This is a new SKU for them. It is following in the ThinkPad line, but they're kind of looking at this as both a consumer and a business application. They have two versions of this. This is the 13-inch, and there's also going to be a 14. And I think that 14 will have some Ryzen graphics options as well, or at least an AMD-based version. We did not get that one in this time. This is just the Intel 13-inch version. And it looks pretty nice. It's pretty lightweight, as you can see. It's all metal. It's got regular ports here, as you can see. That's a USB-C port and not a Thunderbolt port. On the other side there, we've got two USB 3 ports, a full-size keyboard in the usual Lenovo format there, and a 1080p display with the fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button. And the display is actually really sharp here. It's really nice. Matte finish on it, so that's good. No touch on it, though. So that is the overall look there. You've got the camera at the top. They've got that shutter on there as well. So pretty attractive, pretty lightweight. Not bad at all. And it looks like you could probably get into this pretty easily to upgrade it. We'll probably do that when we do the full review to see what we can do inside. Typically with these, you can usually get at the storage, and sometimes, though, the RAM is soldered onto the motherboard. I'm not sure about this one, so we'll have to take a look at that when we do the full review, which, again, you'll find on my main channel at lon.tv. You got a power cable here in the box as well, the usual power brick that it comes with, and that looks to be it. But I do like the way it looks and feels here. Pretty lightweight, nice little laptop. This one is an i5 version. It's got a 1.6 gigahertz processor. I believe that's a quad-core i5 chip. The display goes flat here, but doesn't turn into a 2-in-1 or anything, and it's got a really nice hinge on it too. So altogether, it feels like a very solidly built machine. This one's got 8 gigs of RAM and a 256 gigabyte SSD. At the moment, it's selling for $832. It starts at $734 with a similarly equipped machine with the i5, but a 4 gigabyte RAM configuration. I think you probably want to start at 8 on something like this with Windows 10. So we're going to get this thing into the test lab and see how it performs, and we'll be back soon with a full review at lon.tv. Stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, emudev.org, Tom Albrecht, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.